Hey guys, I'm at the Kawasaki visiting the store called Lopia. This is very similar to the Costco style setting. The item all you looking at is the wholesale values. With this and the variety of Costco is a limited variety, but here a gigantic selection of food. Look at this, all things I'm eating. This is like a sushi, but nothing bad on all the eel. And this is like a lunchbox. The size, look at this size. Never seen anything like so huge. And the volume of each dishes. And here, this is nothing but the garlic rice. The name is a garlic, which is garlic, so tons of garlic. So, and sushi roll of like a sushi and the fried chickens and combination. Look at this size. You never see anything like this. The size when you visit any other grocery store. And here, all the value and look at this. All the fried chickens and any other things. And this is so amazing. Because of all the value and the size, coming down to this is a grocery store called Lopia is so crowded. Look at this, like dessert, the size of the dessert and the selections. And this looks like this is a roast beef on the top is nothing but the dessert. You should try and coming down here. The one thing what I noticed is that how they display very similar to the Japan's like a discount store called like a Don Quijote, and the way they display and the design of you see all their advertisement, it's very it's a different style. It's like a Japanese style design. You are the one thing when you look at it is visually there. Here is a wholesale value of all kinds of the pudding and yogurt. It's just gonna very amazing trips down to the Lopia to find something very new.